This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Susan Brailsford. Practical and lovely all-brick basement ranch mid-century home tucked in established and super convenient neighborhood near West Town area. This home features an open floor plan, wood floors on main, living, dining, and kitchen flow nicely. Kitchen has updated solid surface countertops, cabinetry, and all appliances stay. 3 good-sized bedrooms on main with 2 full and updated baths with new vanities, subway tile surrounding tubs, and pretty slate look tile on floors. Downstairs is a wonderful gathering area with custom built-in bookshelves, wood-burning fireplace, room for games and entertaining, a 4th bedroom or study and a 3rd full bath. Enjoy relaxing on the partially covered patio and beautiful level and fenced backyard. Lots of extra storage and a 1-car garage. For more information